Hey guys, welcome to your channel. In this video, you will learn on how to use the Xtrend Speed application for trading. But currently, I am using the my laptop, so we are on the web browser. But it's just the same. You just have to download the application from Play Store or App Store. Okay, so first thing that you should do if you are using your laptop as well, you just have to open any of your web browser and then you simply search for the tab. You just have to search for Xtrend. That's right. And then you have this first website. So you just have to tap on this one. Okay, and then just wait for a couple of seconds. Okay, and then here you'll be directed to the section where you have to sign up for an account. Okay, so trading looks exciting, but for beginners, it can also feel confusing and risky. So, in this video, I'm gonna walk you through on how to use the action speed step by step from creating your account to placing your first trade. Okay, so if you're new to trading, then this beginner friendly video is for you. Okay, so since we already signed up for an account, now let's go to our account. And then you will be asked if you have any experience in forex trading. So, see, for example, we selected no. Okay, so here we would have a guide. So we just have to click on the deposit button to deposit the funds into our account online. So tap on the deposit. Okay, and then here we are just going to select the currency type first. Okay, that's right. So we have BHP and we have USD. I'm just going to select BHP for this one. So you can also type it right here. So the minimum should be 2,500 pesos up to we have 1 million pesos. Okay, so after that you just had to select your payment method. So we have more payment methods right here that are available according to region. Then after that, you just have to tap on the deposit option. Okay, so again, if you're using your phone, you're using the mobile app. So the application, it allows you to trade different financial markets right from your phone or from your computer. So you can trade forex or currency pairs, stocks like Tesla or Apple, commodities like gold, and even market indices. So this is designed to be simple, fast, and accessible, even if you have no experience. Okay, so you can download the trading platform from here. Okay, so we have here from Apple Store or Google Play Store for web. So this is the trading um, website. So you just have to tap on this one. Okay, and you will be directed to this page. Okay, so just a quick reminder, trading involves risk. You can earn money, but you can also lose your money. So always start small. You have to practice first and never invest money you can't afford to lose. Okay, so now that we are here, okay, so we just have to go to the me section. Okay, and you'll be able to see here our trade history. So since we are just new to the section, we don't have any history yet. That's right. So in order for us to unlock the full features like withdrawals, we need to complete the verification. So we have to upload our valid ID and take a selfie for confirmation. So this step helps you keep your account secure and prevent the fraud. Okay, so let's go back here. Let's go to our profile. So let's go to our basic information. So we have our first name, middle name, and then our surname, date of birth. That's right. And then for our contact information, we also have that right here. Now, as you can see right here, we have the our watch list. So this is the cryptocurrency, the forex. If you want to see the current value, the commodities, and the indices. So for the live account, so we can monitor that right here. Okay, so let's go to the all section. So you'd be able to see here all of the list. Okay, So here you will see a chart showing the price movement. So this is the price movement or the chart. So a list of trading assets and a buy and sell buttons. So we have them right here. Okay. So tap any assets to open its chart and analyze the price movement. So for example, um, let me just tap on this one. So you'll be able to see here the price movement. Okay, so for the USDX, currently we have this chart. Okay, so if you want to expand it, so you can tap on this one so you can see it clearly. So just have to move it right here. That's right. So let me just minimize this one. Okay, so if you are a beginner, again, you don't need to rush into real trading. You can switch to the demo account if you want to, and you can get virtual money to practice without any risk. So this is the best way to understand how trading works before using your real money. Okay, so for example, if you want to get more on Xtrend Speed App, so you just have to tap on this one. So here, let's tap on the buy option. Okay, so for example, for the quantity, so just have to select your quantity and then your leverage. Okay, and then you'd be able to see here now the price. Okay, then after that, you just have to tap on to place order. Okay, and then you just have to read this and then tap on the got it option. Okay, so you just have to wait for a couple of seconds and then tap on the place order. Okay, so make sure that you have enough credits so you would be able to do this purchase. Now if you want to sell, tap on the sell option right here, and then you just have to place your order. Okay, so again, to deposit, you just have to tap on the deposit option, and then you just have to deposit the amount that you want to sell. Okay, so again, right here we have your payment method. Okay, so let's go back here to our profile and go to our basic information. So again, you have to make sure that your basic informations are all correct from your first name, your surname, your date of birth, and your gender, because you need to input everything correctly so that you can verify your account and you would be able to trade. Okay, so here again, you can also deposit or withdraw right here. Then if you tap on the trade option, you would be directed to this section once again. Okay, so if you want to know more about this application or this website, so you just have to download the app. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve a concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.